Hello? Where are you now? I've seen one pole here. Okay, the other junction.
Only. See, only again carrying only. Jesus! Not be juju be that. We must learn a lesson.
What?
Where is this one coming from again? What is it?
We just pray.
Where are you taking me to now? Where are you taking me to this door?
No, we are not informed.
You just don't carry me to the house.
Oh, Mumu not too much. Oh, Mumu not too much.
And continue. No problem.
What's this one? So you just brought me here because of gala. So there's money.
Yeah!
And
Photo.
You get it? If you don't get it, forget about it. God have mercy upon us.
Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and yeah, this is Storm. Thank you for watching our videos, and yeah, she's tired, and so you see, she's a real dog. And please, I just want to ask you for something. Please, each time you watch our videos, please remember, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Please, especially share. When you share our videos, it helps us reach people more, because these videos, they are really hard to make. They might come out 1 minute, but they are really hard to make. We put in a lot of effort. Like, we spend days shooting those 1 minute videos, and when we go to locations, we spend money and all that. So please, all we ask in return is please share. Drop a comment. When you comment on our videos and when you like our videos, Facebook will show you the videos more. Like, they know that, okay, I like this person's video, so they will continue showing you each time we post. You understand? So when you